are here at the 4th of July car launch. Finally, the day is upon us, and check this out. The crowd is enormous, and they are coming. There are still 1,000 people trying to get in. It's a magnificent day. The weather is perfect. The cars are making their way to the top of the hill right now. It's time to wreck some stuff.
Because if we ain't making noise, we ain't having fun.
And you knock it down. You're all setting out to rock this town. You don't really need to play it low. Just get up and go. This is all your show. Get on, this will be your day. 'Cause baby, you are born to win. Never give up, never give in. You are born to win. Your destiny is victory. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, you were born to win. Cause baby, you were born to win. Born to win. Your destiny is victory.
Can you tell us in your words what today is all about?
Today's about it's an F day, freedom, faith, family, food, and fun. And it's all about our veterans. Without our veterans, the ones that are in the ground, the ones that are enlisted, and the ones that are retired, they gave their lives. I get choked up just talking about this. This is for our veterans, and this is celebrating nothing more than a birthday party for the greatest nation on earth, and that happened to be 247 years old today. So this is not about us, it's about them. And we've got a great crew here. It takes so many great people to just pull this off.
Yeah.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
So that's what's actually riding on the rail. You swap that out for every car, or do you have just one that you...
One for every car.
One for every car?
And they go over the hill. We reclaim most of them every year.
Gotcha.
So that is our rail setup. The other setup is the free ride, which is just a ratchet strap through the steering wheel, hold it just right, and off they go.
Perfect. Well, we lost a part. Better rotate. Yeah. So you guys just getting it lined up? Is that why you run it back and forth?
So that's probably the bravest job here is the guy that's got to line it up. He's trusting the brakes. He's trusting the car to stop. Every car is gonna have maybe one wheel that pulls one direction or it might pull the other. So he's got to do a few good test runs, and then we'll take the strap and we'll lock the steering wheel in where he felt he needed to hold it so that it'll go the best. But as you saw the last car, we don't get it right every time.
We got 2 at a time here. Here we go.
We'll do on 1. We'll do gear drop on 1. Drop on 1. Roger. Okay, horn is good. You want to blow the horn? Yes. Down, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
This is, remember, the story about Maple Springs. That's going to be the red minivan. And that's not it. That one.
Listen, I wanna be there with you no matter where you go. Life is a table for two, and we're starting the show. Well, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly so high up above the clouds. You know that time doesn't wait for your dreams. We're living right here and now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the Are you ready for the better? Take your shot and start and do the things that you wanna do, yeah. 'Cause this time is the right time, baby. You're the star and this is all about you. Don't wait for tomorrow.
What do you think of that, babe?
This is unreal. There's a lot of people.
Check.
It's like an ocean.
Go out and play. No, don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Just keep on chasing the sunshine. Go out and play, yeah.
She's dancing all the way out. Oh!
So they're getting the first camper lined up behind us, and man, these things make a mess. I'm excited for this one.
Motor, oh! God!
Just happened to catch you guys here.
Yeah, we've driven all the way up from BC and Whistler, and a bunch of Aussies, English, Canadian, and Irish. So yeah,
Well, you
big
guys
old
don't
road trip.
discriminate.
No, exactly. I think part of the Commonwealth, you know? The Commonwealth.
So whose idea was it?
This
Yeah,
guy.
I said it on Instagram about a year ago, and I was like, we need to make this happen. This is unreal. Just the video of a car flying off here and just getting crushed. It was like, yeah. So bucket list.
That was the dream.
That was the dream.
It was a drunken dream.
It was a drunken dream.
Well, I mean, we're drinking still, so
Yeah.
We are drinking.
Hey, who doesn't love
Dream
destruction
keeps
of
going,
property?
going.
and it's legal and
It's
it's
legal.
cool and
Yeah.
people enjoy it.
First
That's
time in
it.
Alaska, so.
For all of you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
Awesome.
Oh, unbelievable.
Beautiful.
We honestly didn't expect that as the backdrop as well. We just expect like a field or like a
Just
bit of
kind
a beach or whatever.
Not the backdrop.
No, because we just seen pictures of the cliff and then the car's destructions, and then but that is unbelievable. Like, it's just
Yeah.
you can't get a better view.
Yeah, and then once you see the glacier back there, and it's
Oh,
Ah,
the view of the
perfect.
glacier from
Gorgeous.
up there is insane.
Absolutely.
that's kind of
gorgeous.
Alaska though. It everywhere is a backdrop. That's what
See,
we say.
yeah.
What'd you get?
Alright, so day one, just Whistler to Jasper to Fort Nelson up to Whitehorse, Dawson City to the Alaskan border, then back to Dawson City, and then back to the Alaskan border because he forgot his passport. We made it though.
There's always one.
You got it.
There's always one.
We drove the top of the world highway 3 times that day.
Yeah. And then into Fairbanks, then Fairbanks to Anchorage down to Homer, Homer to Seward, Seward back to Anchorage, and then Anchorage to Glacier View.
We're here now.
We're here now.
To there. All for this.
All
All for this right here.
This whole road trip is purely because of this car going off that cliff.
Yeah.
This celebration of freedom, family, and carnage is unlike anything we've experienced here at Revalaska. We'd like to give a huge shout out to everyone who puts this event together. You guys absolutely crushed it. And if anyone watching has a bucket list, this is a must-see. The day is over, and what a crazy experience. And a day full of awesome things. One of the biggest impressions left was just how clean everything was left by the thousands who attended. There was zero trash left behind, no mess. Tomorrow, cars will be picked up, and you'll never even know that people were here. The respect shown to the event, to your neighbor, and to the space is truly inspiring. And until next time, keep revving.
Right through the trees again.
Dang.